Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Planet for Tech. I hope you all are doing great and learning lots by watching all the continuous episode of this series Python Beginner to Master. So guys, till now we have completed 24 episode of this series, and today in this episode 25th I am going to describe you the new topic, that is the Python packages. So in this we are going to understand like what the package is and why we use the packages. So and after that we will see like how to create the package in the Python. So let's start it. So here you can see like what is the package. First of all, we have to understand what is the package. So let me say you. So package is nothing but the mechanism, or you can say the way of organizing the code in a proper way in a particular project. So what we do with the help of the packages. So packages are basically used to provide the data encapsulation or data hiding concept. So what this encapsulation is? Encapsulation means we are going to put all the similar kind of classes, similar kind of module inside a particular folder. That is called as a encapsulation mechanism. So what it basically requires, what we are going to get once we have the packages. So there are a few objective of creating the packages. The first one is what? Preventing naming conflict. What is the situation? So see, you are going to create two files with the same name in the same folder. So is it possible? So answer is no. You can't create the same file with the same name inside the same folder. So how we can resolve this issue? So to resolve this issue, definitely we need a different mechanism. That is what the packages is here. So here I have taken one example to demonstrate you like how this package are important for us. So you can see here, let's suppose we are taking the example here. We have two packages. Let's suppose we have two employee packages. So how we can access those? So let's suppose we have college.staff.csc.employee and college.staff.ee.employee. So here you can see the employee class is available two times and two places. One is inside the CSC folder and another is inside the EE folder. So this kind of separation we need, and we know like this employee is required in both the cases, in case of CSC and in case of EE also. So we can't avoid this creating these classes, but to make it feasible, we can create the separate package, separate directory. So what we will do, we will create one directory, that is the college directory, and inside that we will create the staff directory, and inside that we are going to create a CSC directory, and inside that, so this way we can create two same file name employee in a two different location. So this is comes only the concept from the packaging. So this is the packaging concept here. So we can have two employee classes in a two different folder. So this is the first objective why we use the packaging. And the second point is it makes us easy to search and to locate the particular file of where this is located. It is you can say we can have these same classes, we can have same interfaces, we can have same enumerations and annotation as well. So for that, it becomes very easier if we are using the concept of packages there. So packaging is required only for arranging the code properly and to make it easier to search and to make it easier to manipulate. So this is all about the packaging. Now you can see one more advantage of the packaging is, so we can provide the controlled access. We can provide the controlled access. How it is possible? So see, let's suppose let's taking the same example here. So let's suppose we have some CSC employee and we have some double employee. So we want to give some access to the particular CSC employee only, and we don't want that access to be given to the EE employee. So how we can do that? So for that, what we will do, we will create the same method in both the classes employee, CSC employee and the double employee, but we are going to restrict the access. In CSC employee, we can make it as a private or protected, or in a double employee, we can make it public for all the employees access. So that way also we can provide the controlled access. So this is only the part that where we are going to give the particular access like private, protected, and public. So that kind of controlled access we can give on a particular method class, class method. So this is the one more advantage of the packaging. Now come to the next point, that is the packaging can be considered as a data encapsulation. So this is what I have already told you. For achieving the data encapsulation, this is the one of the concept of the OOPS. So to achieving this data encapsulation, we use the packages. So in short, we can see what this package is. So what we need to have understand about the package. So all we need to do is put related classes into the packages. What we have to do? Simply we have to put the related classes in a particular packages or directory, you can say, and after that we can simply write an important class from the existing packages and use it in our program. A package is container. So this line, guys, you have to make a note. So this is going to be a quick answer if someone is asking like what is the package in interview. So that time you can answer this, and this will create the awesome effect, and definitely it will help you there. So what this package is? A package is a container. What this is? It is a container. So definitely it is container. So it is going to contain something else of a group of related classes where some of the classes are associated, are exposed, and others are kept for internal purpose as well. So we can group those classes which are not going to be exposed outside and but being referred or being used inside the particular package. So you can say. So you can say the package is a kind of container which can contain the publicly available classes as well as the private classes as well. So this is about the package definition in one line. Now you can see here we can reuse the existing classes. So this is one more benefit of the packages. We can reuse the existing classes from the package as many as time we need it in our program. So to extend the reusability also we use the packages. So this much for about the package definition, what this package is. Now let's see like how we can create the package in Python. So this is the most important to understand in this episode. Rest we have understood what the package is, but here we have to understand how we can create the package in Python. So creating package in Python is different like in Java. So in Java we don't need to create this ini file, but in Python this is mandatory because this ini file is nothing but you can say the package initializer. So what we need to do here, first of all we have to create one folder, and that folder name we are going to consider as a package name, package directory, and inside that package directory we have to create the ini.py file. So this is the what package initializer file, and we don't have to write anything inside this file. This is simply file we have to create there. And after that what we have to do, we have to create the few of the modules or classes inside the particular directory, and we have to access that from the place where we want to use it. So what we need to command, what command we need to use that package. So we have to use the from, this is the keyword, and the package directory we have to give and import. So after that we have to give like what module we are going to import there. So let me show you this by practical doing. I'm going to create one class package, and in that I'm going to show you how we can use it. So let's me start the VS Code. I hope you can see my screen. So I have started VS Code. Here I'm going to create one folder. So my root folder is the Python folder. This is the folder name I have created, and inside this I'm going to create. You can have a different name as well. Let me rename. Otherwise, it will create confusion for you guys. But this root folder it is not allowing to rename in anyway. So I'm going to create two package inside this particular folder. So let's suppose that folder are CSC, and another folder I'm going to create is the uh, double E branch. So in this package, in this same these two packages, I'm going to create one file that is what double underscore I and I double underscore dot py. So this is what the package initializer only. And you have to remember we are not going to write anything in this package initializer. We have to create this file only, and simply copying the same file inside this EEE folder as well. So guys, here you can see I have created two package folder, that is the CSC folder and EE folder. Inside that I have created the package initializer file. Now I'm going to write one code. So in the CSC I'm going to create one class, that is the employee dot py. So this is a Python file. So here I'm going to create the class. So this class I'm going to create. So guys, you can see here I have created that employee module or file, you can say, inside the package. So that package name is what? The CSE package. So inside that I've created this employee.py file, and this file is going to be considered as a module. So in this I have this particular definition, you can say, the one function I have defined, that is the show name. So here I'm going to give the name of the, here I'm going to display the name of the particular employee on the basis of their branch. And in the similar way, you can see here I have mentioned like I am an employee of CSE because this is the CSE branch, and my name is the name whatever is we are going to pass with the this function. The similar way, I have created the same file inside the double E branch. You can see here double E branch, but here I have mentioned I am an employee of double E branch, and my name is what the name I'm going to give. So here you can see the similarity is what, the same file we have created, and inside the same file we are having the same function name. So these all are same, but if we are keeping these two file in the same place, so that is not going to be work, because computer doesn't allow to create the same file in a single folder. So what we have done, for the separation purpose, we have created two folder, CSE folder and EE folder, and we have kept those files separate. Now I'm going to show you like how we can use this function effectively. So you can see here I have imported that. So from CSE, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the CSE module from the CSE package. So from CSE package, we are importing the employee, and we can mark it as EMP like that. If you want, you can rename the module here as well. So this EMP, from this EMP, I'm going to call this show name method. So definitely this is going to call the employee of CSE branch. Let me show you. Is it showing properly or not? So you can see, oh, it's showing curly braces. This is because we have not given the formatted way here. So let me give the formatted F. Still it is showing, sorry. We have to give this name inside this here only. So this time it should work. Let me show you. Again, it is showing the curly braces because this formatting is missing. Yes, this time showing correct. So guys, you can see here, it is showing I am an employee of CSE branch and my name is Ramesh. So what happen if I'm going to call the employee of EE branch? So what we can do that? So for that, simply we have to import that. So from which package? From EE package, we are going to import the same module EMP, but this time I am going to mark it as EMP2 and this is the EMP1. So now if I am calling EMP2, so this is going to call the show name method of employee module that is available inside the EE package. So this is what the data encapsulation. We have encapsulated the similar to a thing together in a particular place, and we are calling it. And this is the example of reusability as well. We have created the function in one place and we are reusing it as many times we want. So let me show you the output. This time it is showing or not properly. So this time it should show the I am from EE branch. You can see here the same method, same module we are calling, but the way of keeping those files separate is the concept of packaging only. So you can see this time it was showing CSE branch and now it is showing as a EE branch. So this is all about the packages in the Python, guys. So I hope you can understand this way and you can start, you can practice it more. So for this episode, this much, guys, and I hope uh, you are learning lots by watching all the continuous episode and doing the practical. So till now, if you have not subscribed this channel, so don't forget to subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.